Hey everybody, I'm Gokul from Restoration Brokers America. So a lot of clients that call us from all across the country, they think the way you price a business is very simple, right? They're thinking it's a simple multiple of earnings. I'm going to take my business to the market for, let's just say $2 million and someone's going to pay me $2 million. Not so fast, my friends, not so fast. There's a whole strategy that goes to pricing a business. All right, and here's what I wrote down. There's 4 ways we can actually take your business to the market to make sure you get the best price and the terms that you deserve, right? So, number 1, let's just say your business is worth $2 million, right? We can take your business to the market at $2 million. Huge advantages to that, because what that would do is attract the really serious buyers that are looking in the marketplace. And ultimately, it brings you the right buyers looking at your business, the people that are really serious, and get you better price and terms, right? So sometimes you could say, let's go above market. So if you're in a really healthy market, or if you're in a growing region of the country, maybe there's a needle in the haystack. Maybe there's somebody that has to be in a certain city, that has to be in a certain town. So we can say, hey, let's go 10, 15% above what the valuation is, right? And let's see for 30, 60, 90 days, whether we have that one buyer that would pay up to get your business. Then you can also go, and sometimes when we work with our clients, we would go slightly under our valuation, right? Depending on what strategies there are, what geographic area the business is located in. And what that does is create incredible competition for your business, right? And the more competition there is, and there's more buyers looking to buy your business, ultimately you get better terms and a better offer, okay, for your business. And then here's the 4th one that we do for some of our clients. It's called a reverse auction. So what is that? And it's really counterintuitive, but we've been using it a lot lately and we've had tremendous success with it. So what it means is we know what your business is worth, okay, because we're going to do a valuation, we're going to do all our analysis and everything. But when we take a business to the market, we go to market without a price. Now, there's a lot more, it's a little bit more complicated. We got to figure out and market your business properly. We got to package it right. We got to communicate to a potential buyer why they want to buy your business. You got to have a really good investment thesis. But if you've got a rock solid business in today's market, especially being a seller's market, going to the market without a price is an absolute strategy that can give you the best terms, the best price, and pretty much everything that you're looking for when you're taking your business to for a sale. So it's not as simple as just getting a multiple and going to market. If we do that, I think you're really hurting yourself and not putting yourself in the best position possible. You really got to figure out which one of these 4 strategies is the best strategy for your business and for your regions to make sure that you're getting the best price and best terms for your business.